Hi, this is Martin Masri from masterquery.com, and in this video we're going to wrap up our filter section discussion. Okay, in the last video we discussed the date part for filters, how to use the date properly and span dates. We also talked about how to build symbol lists and how to use the show first and show last to only include the first occurrence or the last occurrence. Okay, now most of the heavy lifting in this application gets done by building expressions in filters. So we do that. There's three parts that are required. There's the part one. Every expression needs a data field, an operator, and a value. Now that value can be a number or a data field. So in this first example, we have we'll use the easy one first. Moving average for the month is greater than 5. Well, moving average is your data field. Your operator is going to be greater than. And our value, in this case, is a number 5. Okay? This one's same thing, same volume average for the month is greater than 1,000,000. Okay, this one's slightly different in the sense that it's using the between operator. The between operator requires 2 entries. So it's got to be between the first and the next. So date, between, date is our data field, between is our operator, and then we have two entries, entry number 1 and entry number 2 for the between. Okay, so why don't I go ahead and I'll change, let's say, moving average to a data field. I'll just go ahead and put in, say, the quarter. And now I'm saying that the moving average for the month is greater than the moving average for the quarter. Go ahead and execute that. Why don't I put some data on there also? Let's just get rid of volume. And what did I do? Moving average for the quarter. Here we go. Okay, let's reload that. Okay, so we see that the moving average for the month is indeed greater than the moving average for the quarter. Okay, now if I wanted to use a math part, I could. I've done this in the system query. I could do something along the lines of let's say we want our monthly moving average to be greater than 125% of our quarterly moving average. So if we were to bump up the number of our quarterly to say times 1.25, so that's going to bump it up by 25%. And we're saying that our monthly moving average is greater than our new bumped up quarterly. Okay, we can go ahead and run that, and that's going to give us that result set. Okay, so that's how you do math parts as well. Now you can also use math parts on both sides. You have an optional math part here. I'm going to paste this up on the screen. Copy this here. You can use a math part in number 1, and you can use a math part in number 3. In our example here, we used it in number 3 because we have a data field. That's number 1, our operator, and our value. In this case, our value is a data field, and we're using an optional math part. Well, you can use it on this side as well. So you have math parts on both sides of the operator. Okay, well that should wrap up our filter discussion. Hopefully that cleared up any kind of issues that you may have been having writing queries. Feel free to contact us on our website, and we'll assist you more if you need it. So thank you for watching, and go write some queries and make some money. Take care.